time pilots. Jacqueline Hyde just stole something from the past. You've got 28 minutes to get it back or history will change forever. Initiate chrono skimmer launch sequence. Boot up the chrono computer. Power up the engines. Extend the temporal sequencer. Now, get going!
Committed, man, out here in the rain.
Yep.
Good for you, dude.
Always, man.
Where's your crew?
Huh?
Where's your crew, though? They abandoned you? You're the only one tough enough?
Yeah. I'm the only one out right now.
Oh, anybody in here? Who's in here? Abraham? No. How you doing? Doing all right? Yeah? I just put this box right here. You're back. You're fine. You know who I'm looking for? All right, Sid. Have a good night. What's your name, bud? What's your name? What is it?
That's not him.
Is that your pops over there?
Nah, that's not him, man.
Where is he then, dude? You know where he is?
I don't know, man. He was always out there. I haven't seen him in a while.
Yeah, I didn't. They said he was wearing a blue shirt. That's a lot skinnier than he was last time I saw him. But I haven't seen him in a long time. What was he wearing?
I haven't seen him today.
Oh, okay. Oh. How's it going? Hi, how are you? Good old self. Yeah. Oh. Had warmer days?
Yeah. Well, she sneaks around the world from Maryland to Carolina. She's a sticky-fingered filter from Berlin down to Belize. She'll take you for a ride on a slow boat to China. Tell me where in the world is
Carman, San Diego.
Jacqueline Hyde may have a split personality, but there's just one way to describe your work today. Superb!
Well, she's around the world, from Maryland to Carolina. She's a sticky-fingered filter from Berlin down to Belize. Take you for a ride on the most exciting